Whew. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Oh, what a stop that was. It's Graham Allwood from Blue Diamond Reiners, and I'm just out with one of my little ponies today, giving her some exercise. And all horses with my training, I eventually get them into a snaffle bit. Prior to, I have them in a HACKAMORE, and it'll be a side pull HACKAMORE in particular. So it's a nice, easy, soft start, gives them a chance to kind of get used to directional control and a little bit of pressure on the face. Nothing too crazy. Before I start, getting any type of cheek piece on them and getting something in their lips. The trick is to make transitions very smooth, and when you're riding in each piece of equipment, that you have to know what you're doing and how to use it to its benefit. Okay, I'm going to take this bit out of her mouth, and then we're going to put this HACKAMORE on her, the side pull. Just want to give you guys a little bit of an introduction as to what a soft start can be. Anything less than what I'm going to show you basically puts the horse into a halter. Okay. So I'll climb down from this little guy, and then we'll swap out the head stalls. Now, all these guys are all taught to have some good manners with them, so they're not to move when asked. And then it sounds easy, but it's a lot of work to make him do it, okay? The real way, depending again on your horse, is you would take your reins, throw your reins over, and then you've got a way of holding the horse. So here, we're just going to lift up and slide the top of the headstall forward, out, and then get the horse just to drop the bit out of its mouth. Okay, you want everything to be nice and light and easy, no tugging or anything. They don't like it when you're banging their teeth. So we make things respectful to the animal. Okay, so again, we're just going to throw the reins over and take the nose piece. This is the side pull. You can see where the sides, let's get its name from here and over here. It has a nose band and a chin strap underneath it. There we go. You can really wear the hell out of the nose, okay, to the point where they can get a bump here. So, and that's from overpressuring the animal and not using the equipment correctly, okay? So again, it goes back to education. All right. So we want everything sitting level here, right across. And as far you want the nose band to be up on the bone, okay? This is the nasal bone here. So I like it to sit here. So adjustments can be made according to how you need it to work. Okay, which is another topic at another time. All right, so I'm just sitting it right here because I know it's always a good place to start. So depending on the depth of your throat latch here will determine as to how loose you have to have your throat latch strap. Okay, all right, so I like 2 fingers in there. She's not too bad in the throat latch. It's fairly clean. But sometimes this can get really deep in here, so that you really have to have this quite loose. Okay, and then the brow band you just set right in the temple area here, just below the ears. And in some of these videos I've talked about breaking at the 3rd vertebrae. So the pole area is here. You've got 1, 2, 3. So where this 3rd vertebrae is here, you'll see guys with the neck is up, and then the horse is broken over on the 3rd. So that's a bad thing, because that's that rollkur. It's detrimental to the horse. It's besides it being hard on the vertebrae, it's also very hard on the spine, on the spinal cord going up through here. Oh, I'm going to leave this bit with my cameraman. I could teach him a lot of manners, and if I can't climb on, nice and easy and not to worry about things, then I will work on it till I got a horse that'll keep its feet planted in the ground and allows me to come on nicely. Okay, bring her into position, and then we'll just walk her off. So I just want to show you that it doesn't really matter what you have on the horse's face if they're well trained. Jug. If they're well trained, they'll pretty much always do what you ask. Now, when I go to ride my horses bridleless, you got to ride out of the saddle. But the training comes from with my hands into the frame, the front of the frame, is to work the carriage through the saddle. And when I get the carriage going, the frame will come to the carriage, which again, I have mentioned it a little bit in the video, but I haven't gone into great detail about it. Oh, and just to touch on riding posture is critical for the ride itself, for communication. I'm just going to run her down here. I'm going to do another slide in this side pull just to show you that there is no difference. You can see for yourself. And it would be the same thing if I was to bring her down the arena without anything on her face. Whew. There we go. So I'll get into this Hackmore a little bit more with some other horses, younger horses, and show about a Boselle and some of the unique qualities that both this and the Boselle offer, especially on young horses and training in the beginning of being able to listen to cues and actually do some good exercises into some maneuvers. All my exercises are set up for quality maneuvers of whatever that might be. Even my maneuvers I still classify as exercise. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Can you please subscribe and share it out, okay? And even give it a like. And if you guys got some comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you on them. And hey, give me some ideas for some videos. I know everybody's got questions, so ask them and I'll produce something and show you, okay? Even if you've got some quirky stuff going on with your own horse, I'll do my best to help you, to guide you the direction that you need to go. Okay, thank you very much once again. Nice seeing you all, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.